In this video, I'm going to be answering the question if Mistplay is real or a scam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is Mistplay? Mistplay is an Android-only gaming loyalty app that pays players in units for downloading and playing selected mobile games. These units can be redeemed for gift cards. These can be Amazon, Google Play, Starbucks, etc., or PayPal Cash in select regions. Users also earn bonus experience points, GXP, PXP, to unlock rewards via gameplay progression. Alright, the big question, is it legit or scam? So yes, Mistplay is genuine with a solid presence since around 2016-17 and with over 10 million installs and credible payouts. Finance and side hustle sites affirm it's not a scam. That being said, it's not a way to replace your income, it's more like turning your gaming into a bit of pocket money. Okay, so let's talk about the earnings and payout experience. So expect to earn roughly 50 cents to $1 per hour of playtime. Some reports up to around $1.64 per hour with optimized play. Commonly, users receive $5 gift cards after 6 to 8 hours. Payouts typically arrive within 24 to 72 hours. Alright, let's talk about the pros. So it's a legit reward, so paid out for real gift cards or PayPal. It's got a wide selection of games, bonuses and contests, low redemption threshold from 50 cents, faster cash outs than similar apps, and fun if you enjoy mobile banking. But there are some cons. So slow earnings, typically under $1 an hour, only on Android, and there is no iOS version. Earnings taper off after leveling, lower unit rates, customer service issues reported, account holds delays, and can be battery and data intensive on your device. So final verdict, Mistplay is legit, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you enjoy mobile gaming, have an Android device, and okay with earning small gift card rewards in your spare time, then Mistplay can be a fun, low-pressure way to get a little bit of cash back. But if you're hoping to build a significant side income, this isn't the tool. Between slow earnings, account verification hurdles, and even lower rates, it's best treated as a casual reward app than a serious gig.